Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to redeem Visa gift card on Fetch Rewards. So as you can see, Visa Rewards come in digital and physical version. So once your Visa reward is processed and ready to be redeemed, you'll receive a confirmation email with redemption details. Then you have 6 months from the date of this email to select a physical or digital Visa card and activate your reward. Now, as you can see, if you choose physical Visa card, you'll be asked for the mailing address the card can be sent. And as you can see, Visa will charge you $3 for shipping and handling fee. And then you're gonna have to wait 7 to 14 business days for the card to be delivered. Now, as you can see here, you can also choose digital Visa card, which I recommend you. So basically, if you choose that, you're going to receive your code on your email instantly. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.